Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something magical about chocolate crinkles. These soft, fudgy cookies with their snowy powdered sugar coating and signature cracked surface have been a holiday favorite for generations. Whether you're a first-time baker or a seasoned pro, this guide walks you through every step to make perfect batches every time. You'll learn the secrets to achieving that iconic cracked look, plus tips for storing and serving these irresistible treats. The origins of chocolate crinkles. Ever wondered how chocolate crinkles became the holiday staple they are today? Their story is as rich as their flavor. These cookies likely emerged in mid-20th century America, blending the popularity of brownie-like desserts with the festive appeal of powdered sugar. Some credit them as a Depression-era treat. Simple ingredients like cocoa, flour, and sugar made them affordable yet decadent. A cookie with many names. Chocolate crinkles aren't just known for their looks. Depending on where you grew up, you might have heard them called crackled cookies. For their signature surface. Earthquake cookies. Thanks to their rough texture. Snowtop cookies. Because of the powdered sugar dusting. The variety of names hints at their widespread appeal, with bakers adding personal twists over time. From home kitchens to holiday tables. These cookies gained traction as a holiday favorite for good reason. Their deep chocolate flavor pairs perfectly with cozy winter spices, and that snowy exterior feels downright festive. Plus, they're forgiving for beginner bakers, no fancy piping or delicate shaping required. By the 1950s and 60s, community cookbooks and women's magazines began featuring them, sealing their place in holiday traditions. Think of them as the chocolate version of a sugar cookie. Simple, nostalgic, and impossible to resist. Why they still win hearts. There's a reason chocolate crinkles haven't faded from holiday spreads. They're visual stunners. Hello, Instagram before Instagram existed. And their texture, chewy inside, slightly crisp outside, hits the sweet spot between brownie and cookie. Whether stacked on a dessert plate or tucked into a gift tin, they're proof that some classics never go out of style. Key ingredients for perfect chocolate crinkles. The magic of chocolate crinkles starts with a handful of simple ingredients. Getting the right balance ensures that perfect fudgy center and crackled top. Whether you stick to the classics or experiment with flavors, here's what you'll need. Must-have pantry staples. Every great chocolate crinkle recipe relies on a few basics you probably already have. All-purpose flour. The backbone of your cookies, giving them just enough structure without being dense. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Use high-quality, natural cocoa for that deep chocolate flavor. Dutch process works too, but avoid sweetened varieties. Granulated sugar. Sweetens the dough and helps create cracks as the cookies spread. Eggs. Binds everything together and adds moisture for a soft texture. Vegetable oil or melted butter. Oil keeps them extra fudgy, but butter adds a richer flavor. Baking powder and salt. Lifts the cookies slightly and balances the sweetness. Powdered sugar. The snowy coating isn't just pretty, it caramelizes slightly for a delicate crust. If you're out of something, try these swaps. Gluten-free flour blends 1:1 for regular flour, and coconut sugar works instead of granulated, though the color will darken. Special ingredients for unique flavors. Want to level up your crinkles? A few tweaks can turn them into something extraordinary. Espresso powder. Just a teaspoon intensifies the chocolate without making them taste like coffee. Peppermint extract. Swap vanilla for peppermint, and you've got a holiday hit. Orange zest. Bright citrus pairs surprisingly well with deep chocolate. Spices. Cinnamon, cayenne, or cardamom can add warmth or a subtle kick. For dietary needs, try almond flour, reduce by 25%, for gluten-free versions, or flax eggs for vegan batches. And if you're avoiding refined sugar, coconut sugar blends work, though the cracks may look less dramatic. The best part? These cookies are forgiving. Even small tweaks can lead to delicious surprises. Step-by-step guide to making chocolate crinkles. Now that you've got your ingredients ready, let's turn them into those iconic crackled cookies. This process is straightforward, but a few key techniques make all the difference. Follow these steps, and you'll have a batch of chocolate crinkles that look and taste like they came from a bakery. Preparing the dough. Start by whisking together the dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, in a medium bowl. This ensures even distribution, so no bitter pockets of cocoa surprise you later. In a separate larger bowl, beat the eggs, granulated sugar, and oil, or melted butter, until the mixture looks glossy and slightly thickened, about 2 minutes. Here's the trick. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet mix gently. Overmixing leads to tough cookies, so stop as soon as the flour disappears. The dough will be thick and sticky, like brownie batter. Cover it with plastic wrap and chill for at least 2 hours, or overnight. This step is non-negotiable. It firms up the dough for rolling and prevents flat, greasy cookies. Rolling and coating the cookies. Once chilled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line baking sheets with parchment paper. Scoop the dough into 1-inch balls. A small cookie scoop works best. Roll each ball between your palms quickly. The warmth of your hands can soften the dough, so work in small batches. Now, the signature move. Roll each ball generously in powdered sugar. For extra crackle, coat them twice, first a light dusting, then a heavier second layer. The sugar forms a crust that splits as the cookies bake, creating those beautiful networks of cracks. Place the balls 2 inches apart on the baking sheet. They'll spread as they cook. That's how to mix and chill your chocolate crinkle dough. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll shape, bake, and reveal the final delicious results. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.